never told you that you was beautiful. Brown cuticles, mind complex as a Rubik's Cube. What I do to you is treat you like a queen and chase the dream. Avoid the hate, we try and change. Black woman's love, that's none the same.
Hola beautiful people, it's me, Penny Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a play on my previous video, and if you have not, I need you to click that video after you watch this video, or you can watch that one and then come back to this video. But this video is going to show you how to style the perm rod set. I have showed you all the tips and tricks that I know to get the perfect perm rod set. So once you follow those tips and you got your perm rod set and it's dry and you wore it in a regular style for a day or two and you ready to jizz it up, now it's time to watch this video. Okay, it's time for you to watch this video and get into all these styles. Alright, so I'm not really going to talk in the video, I'm really just going to let it play. And you pick which hairstyle that you think that you're going to rock next with your perm rod set. Alright? I am all over the place. I feel like I'm on 10 right now. But without further ado, just keep watching. guys, you reached the end of this video. I hope all the styles I showed you were very simple to do. I mean, it was just a grab a ponytail here and put it there. I'm pretty sure you've seen all these styles before. I just want to show you that it's okay to jazz up your perm rod set, and when you change styles, the curls are still there. That is the key. You don't want to keep combing and pulling and then you won't have any curls left. You want to keep your curls intact so that I can wear like this today, and tomorrow I can change it to another style. Okay, that's what this is all about. Don't forget, I left the link in the description box on how to get the perfect perm rod set. Alright, see you in the next one.